Welcome to Sir Kalasandra dictation. Transcription number 467 back. 450 words. Ready? Start. 15 years to make Hindi a language acceptable to all parts of the country. Where exactly have we failed? What exactly are the reasons which have been responsible for the failure on the part both of the government and the people? This question is not something which was ignored by the country. Time and again, this question had come up for active consideration at the highest level. Commissions were appointed to go into the program. A parliamentary committee was appointed to go into this program, and in the innumerable discussions, seminars, meetings, and discussions, this question had come before the country. The various political parties had offered their own solutions and had advocated certain steps which ought to be taken in order to see that language became a cementing force rather than a dividing force in our country. My own party has on more than one occasion made some concrete suggestions in this matter. It was suggested that there ought to be language institutes in all the principal cities of India wherein the various languages in the country could be studied, and attempts might be made to find out how the form and shape of Hindi could be changed so that it became an acceptable language throughout the country. It was also suggested that there ought to be continuous exchange of students from one part of the country to another, especially with a view to find out how the language program could be solved by actual trial and error. It was suggested by us long ago that in the various universities in the country, more than one Indian language should be taught so that again a cementing force could be built up, and ultimately we may be in a position to find out how Hindi could be made a language acceptable throughout the length and breadth of the country. In spite of these various suggestions, in spite of these various discussions, unfortunately, neither the government nor the people of this country have succeeded in finding out a solution of this every thorny problem. As long as we have not been able to find out a solution of this problem, it would be unwise to impose any language as an official language throughout the length and breadth of the country. It is not just a question of political arithmetic that there are other considerations involved. The 42% of Hindi speaking people are living in compact and composite areas, while Hindi is not well known by the rest. If Hindi is suddenly made the sole official language, there would be certain difficulties regarding the transaction of official businesses. Full stop.